Shark AZ2002 Vertex Duo Clean Power Fins Upright Vacuum with powered lift-away self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filter, 1 quart dust cup capacity, rose gold. Shark's most powerful vacuum ever, with incredible suction and innovative cleaning technologies. Duo Clean Power Fins, a power fin roller and a soft roller combine on all floors. Continuous cleaning contact to dig deep into carpets, directly engage floors, and pick up more in every pass. Versus original Duo Clean. Self-cleaning brush roll for powerful pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. Engineered to pick up more pet hair with no hair wrap versus Shark bristle nozzles. Powered lift away the pod for motorized cleaning under furniture, or detach the nozzle and clean above the floor. Anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter trap 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Based on ASTM F1977 of particles 0.3 microns or larger. Powerful LED lights on the nozzle reveal hidden debris around your home. Active glide technology, smooth maneuverability on hard floors and carpets while maintaining powerful suction. Includes tools to tackle stubborn pet hair in hard-to-reach spaces. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.